Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Dolores from Dallas, Texas. I'm board certified physician. I practiced for more than 40 years in medicine. I'm honored to be here in Kandy, Sri Lanka. It's an honor for me and to be used, and I believe that it's fruitful because the people were receptive, they're friendly, they're happy, they show their joy and gratitude. And the thing that I got is that I felt that it's an increase and it's an addition in my life, that I became more mature, that I became more patient, more humble, more loving, and more thankful in my life. I believe that when we do something like that, to use our gifts, then there is a progression in our life. There's an addition, and there is a promotion in our life that happen. I encourage you to come to Sri Lanka. Use your gift, use your talent, use your time and treasure. Give your heart out, your smiles and your hopes, your encouragement, and you'll see that it is not in vain. You will feel the joy, the peace, and the fulfillment. Thank you.